Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create product catalog Facebook. Alright, so let's begin. This is a powerful feature that helps you organize your products and run better ads, especially if you're running an online business. First of all, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once you open it, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the left side dashboard and look for the All Tools option. Click on it and a menu will appear. Now select Business Settings. This is where you manage your business assets like pages, ads, and data. Next, inside Business Settings, find the Data Sources section. Click on it to expand it and then select Catalogue. This is the area where you'll create and manage your product catalog. Now click on the Add button at the top right and choose Create a New Catalog. Then click Continue. After that, enter a name for your catalog and click Next. Now you'll be asked to connect a meta pixel. This step is important because the pixel helps track user activity and improves your ad performance. Once connected, click Next. Now comes the product upload step. You can either connect a data feed for automatic updates or add products manually. If you choose a data feed, you can upload using a file, a URL, or even Google Sheets. If you prefer manual upload, you can download Facebook's template and fill in your product details. Finally, give your product set a name and select the correct currency. Double check all your details, then click Upload to finish the process. You've successfully created your Facebook product catalog. Now you can manage your products easily and run more effective ads. And that's it. This is how you can create product catalog Facebook. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.